Welcome back to the Diary of a Disney Dad. Today, we're gonna dine at maybe one of the hardest reservations to get at Disney Springs.
All right, could you have guessed what it is? We're here at Chef Art Smith's homecoming. We have eaten here before, but it was during COVID time, and the reservations at that time were a lot easier to get. And this has been one of my favorites, and we're excited to give it another try. All right, we got the church ladies deviled eggs, and let me tell y'all, I've been to church all my life. I've never seen deviled eggs like these. These look amazing. We also got the fried pickles. We are excited to give these a try.
Oh boy,
These look amazing.
I don't even know what to do. I gotta put the microphone down. This goes out to one of my friends from home, Jerry, who loves deviled eggs, and I do not particularly prefer deviled eggs. Jenny loves them, makes them all the time. Like even just for snacks, she'll make some. It's weird, but we're at Chef Art Smith's homecoming. We gotta try the world famous deviled eggs. So I'm sorry if this looks bad. I'm gonna one bite it. It's a deviled egg for sure. It might be very well the best deviled egg I've ever had. If I had deviled eggs, Jenny makes good deviled eggs. I'm not gonna lie, she really does. And these taste, yes, better than hers, but not by far. Jenny's are amazing. They're on her blog. They're one of her more popular, famous recipes. But I would eat these all the time if I could. They might actually make me say that I enjoy deviled eggs. They're really good.
They're really good. They must put something in the egg to thicken up the yolk, because it's like a nice texture, not like too wet, which I like, but they're really good.
The deviled egg, I hate the yolk. I like it plain without no yellow. I would give it probably like a 2 out of 10.
All right, so we also got these cheddar cheese drop biscuits. They are available as a side option, but they're just so good. I remember them the last time we were here that I ordered 5 for the table so we all can have some. They come with, what did they say it was? Boysenberry jam? I don't know, that's good. I don't know, I forget what they called it. And you also get some gravy. So I'm going to do a little bit of both. Biscuit and gravy. They're crumbly, they fall apart. Can't stab them with a fork. You gotta try that gravy, Jen. Oh, it's amazing. It's bacon gravy. I might save some of that for my food when it comes out too. Now we're gonna go for some jam. This is the jam on the biscuit. I had to jam it up, and let's try it. That's good jam. I forget what it was called. I wish I didn't, but it's got like a little kick to it. So Jenny will like this as well.
All right, so if you've seen some of our other videos, I need to get silverware. If you've seen some of our other videos, I have told you guys about my high standards on gravy, so I'm gonna give this one a try. I have a feeling it's gonna be good, probably the best, because it's Southern cooking. I'm gonna try it just by itself with a fork. It is good. I still like mine better. Because I like it very peppery, but that is really good. Those biscuits, just as good as I remember. They taste amazing.
The bun is actually really good. Mostly my favorite. I did not like the pickle because it was like super spicy. It felt like spicy.
All right, guys, here is a look at my insane country fried steak. I also have the biscuit, mashed potatoes, green beans. This is huge. Here's a look at the boys' food. Even the kids' meals are insane portions. They got a fruit cup, a mac and cheese, chicken tenders. Yes, my kids put ketchup on their mac and cheese. This is the culprit. Chad puts ketchup on his mac and cheese.
It's a northern thing. I learned it when I was a kid, and now, if you know, you know. If you put ketchup on your mac and cheese, leave a comment and let us know. I got the recommendation from our server, which is the skillet fried chicken pilata or something like that. Pilatata. It was a weird name. I couldn't say it. And it comes with roasted potatoes, but I asked for mashed potatoes instead. There's a lemon that I need to squeeze on top, and the butters for the mashed potatoes, and asparagus, and more biscuits. I want more biscuits. Wow. we really enjoyed that dinner. That was excellent. What'd you think?
It was amazing.
Well, hey, it was excellent. It's worth it. If you can get it, come try the walk-up if you can.
Yeah.
10 stars. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
There was nothing wrong with it, nothing bad about it. The servings are huge. We have dinner for the next day.
Yeah.
Maybe lunch and dinner for some of us.
And our waitresses, we had two because one went home. They were both amazing and sweet and personable, and it was great service.
Yep. So we hope you enjoyed eating dinner at what we think is one of the hardest restaurants to get a reservation at Disney Springs. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on all other social medias, The Diary of a Disney Dad, and we'll see you on the next one.